So this electrician stops over with this van across the street earlier today. And he says, in his broken English, he says, you want a saw? A saw? What kind of saw? I have plenty of saws. I don't need any saws. I got 5 circular saws. You want a circular saw? I says, I really don't need a saw. So he's like, no, I'm giving it to you. I have to throw it away. I says, okay. I have 5 saws at home. So he comes over, he runs, I said, okay, I'll take it. Maybe somebody will need it, right? I figure it's probably an old beater or Makita. It's all beat up and stuff. He wants to get rid of it. So he starts carrying it over here in a skinny box, right? I said, well, that can't be a Skilsaw. That can't be a circular saw. That's got to be like a Sawzall. It's too narrow, right? So I'm looking at the box. I says, well, that looks pretty old. So then I said, what the heck has he got in here? Maybe he doesn't even know what kind of saw it is. So open it up. It's a worm drive. But it's a 5 7/8 worm drive. It's like a miniature old Skilsaw. I haven't even plugged in to see if it runs. I wonder if it even starts. We're going to find out right now. See if it explodes. Of course, it's got the blade in backwards. I mean, this is a curiosity, you know, just to have it. And he's got the lubricant in here. He's got the wrench. So he's got more blades. He's got the blade. He's got it in there backwards. It's got the owner's manual. And it's got a catalog of what they had back then. They had like a miniature table, so I can't open this with one hand, but you can see. So it's some kind of a chart there, what different models they make. So what is this? Well, that's the 77. Okay, so this is like a whatever that first row is. Whatever that first row is, that's what this saw is. I don't know what model it is. It's smaller than a 77. I've never seen it before. I've never seen a saw like this. Not this size, not 5 7/8. It's a 67. Oh, okay. It's a Skilsaw 67. Interesting. Well, it's a keeper. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm not going to throw it out, of course. I don't know. I just more junk. Now I'm hoarding. I just cleaned out this place. I had to insulate the back wall. She wanted the back wall insulated, so I had to take the sheetrock off or put new sheetrock up, insulate the back. That's the laundry room. Put the shelves back in. So there's that. I'm out of here. It's like late. So I'm loading up my truck. It looks like I'm missing something. It's just, I don't know. I think I combined a couple buckets, so it looks like I'm missing something, but I'm not missing anything. All right, that's it.